How to replace the cutting blade. Welcome to our guide on the cutting blade for the PixCut S1. Let's explore its features and installation. When you receive your machine, the cutting blade is already installed. Simply lift the black magnetic cover to reveal it. The PixCut S1 blade housing set is specifically engineered for your photo sticker printer and cutter. Made from high-carbon steel, the tungsten steel blade ensures razor-sharp, ultra-precise cuts, perfect for intricate sticker designs or crisp text labels. It's designed to handle approximately 800 to 1,000 sticker sheets, depending on the complexity of your designs. The one-click blade housing allows for quick and safe blade replacement, ensuring a hassle-free experience without the need for additional tools. To replace the blade, first turn off the power. Then remove the protective frame on the cutting side. Slide the two blade holders aside, replace the blade, and then slide the holders back into place. If the blade is installed incorrectly, it may be too high to cut properly. Simply turn off the power and reinstall the blade. Replacement blades are available on Amazon and our website. If you wish to make a purchase, you can visit these links. Thank you for watching. For further assistance, visit our website or contact our support team.